happiest game ever made, and I wanted to play this on this channel at a long time. So today I am going to play this game. Let's get moving. WASD. Yeah, very fast. Formation. New slide media edition. Hop to X. Space bar to jump, hold shift to sprint. Well, I know that. Jump, jump, jump. Yes. What are those? Your backpack and batteries are stored and store them in a backpack. Hold right mouse back. Yes. It's a pink slime. The coral hue is scientifically proven to be the color of cheer. Your back or slime. Slimes are key to your success. Shoot them through a coral barrier to the coral or the ranch. Mouse to select back tank. Hold left mouse to shoot. Ah, pink slime, come here. Yeah. Yes, yeah. Now you're going to the coral. Yeah. You want to slide. Now sorry. Tasty food acquired. Food like fruits, veggies, or chickens are used to feed slimes. Try shooting food at a pink slime, they eat anything. Mouse wheel select black tank, hold left mouse shoot. Good for you. Is that chicken? Yes, it is. Look how very it moves a little chick. Look at the little chick. It's very cute. Chicken is so little and soft you think they are filled with marshmallow. Yeah, they're very cute. They are running up. So now maybe they'll go. Let's backpack. New Slimepedia entry. The dry reef, a coral-crusted ocean floor that now basks under a golden sun. Where is the sun? I can't see the sun. Well, that's not good. Give me one of this. Pogo fruit, the most common fruit found on the range, and some say the most delicious. To our ranch. You acquired a slime plot. When slimes eat, they make plots. Head on over to this plot market to cash in your plots. Ah, I see how the game works now. First, slimes and then collect the plots and sell them into the plot market. Yes. Plot market gives you new bucks for your hard-earned plots. Shoot a plot into the plot market and earn some cash. Mouse wheel, select back tank, hold left mouse, shoot. Yes. Now let's run. Run. Walk. Run. Give me all your blocks. Give me all your blocks. And some of your brains. Let's get back to our base and feed them some carrot power fruits. Maybe. Hey guys, look, we're new friends right now. You can eat my carrots. And poop out a bunch of blocks. So basically, these slimes poop, and I have to sell those poops to earn money. Game science. I don't eat the carrots because I will get them to my lab. Not here. And I don't need more pink slime. So you can get out of me. Carrots. Give me all the fruits. And the dots as well. I want the big time. I just want your float. Look at the chickadoos. Your float. Yes. Now run as fast as you can. Jump, run, just go as fast as you can. What is that? That blue thing. God. Oh, buddy. Ah. Oh my god. Lago slimes are large slime hybrids formed when a slime is explored unlike its own. Wag to keep them on your nozzle or shoot to set them flying. What? Other slimes eat the other slimes' poop and they become a large hybrid. Well, that makes sense. Yeah. Give me some rocks. I want some rocks. Is there any more rocks around here? Grab a closer. What is that? What is that? It's a cat larva. Ouch. Pink tabby larva. What are tabbies? Those stripes, that tail, that wiggle. That's some pretty good information about the tabby. Yeah. Let's go here. Click the tree, poop out some tabbies. Gordo, please comment down below. There is a sign, but I'm not afraid. Hey, Q-Berry, I'll take you home, but not right now. This bridge is scary. Yeah. What's this? Requires a slime key to open. Now what the hell is a slime key? I need your advice. So please comment down below and answer my question. I will be very relieved. Now let's run and get back to our home. Danger. I'm not afraid of any danger. Come at me, bro. Well, that is pretty cute. Jump. Let's go to our home. Give me some rocks, rock slimes. I want them because they're very useful and the clothes are very expensive. The night. Yes. Let's run. I only have 350 new bucks right now. So how am I able to go and buy these angels? I don't know. The music is so and look, as I said, the chickens grew up into chicken. With me, so you can have fun. I don't have any clothes right now. Just like that costs like 420 bucks. I want to do that. That's great. Oh, I can sleep. Let's sleep for now. Return to ranch. Chicken, how you doing, man? I think... No. Where are the other go-routes? Do I have to make them? Yes, I do. Let's open our Slimepedia. Slimes. Pink slime. The wild hue is scientifically proven to have the color of Gia. I think I'm going to do a little bit of research, so I'll meet you guys. Welcome back, guys. I did a little bit of research on Slimepedia. So now, these are veggies, and these are anything you want, that means meat. Ha. I think I'm going to cashing the floats. Now I think I'll make another corral. Yes, and their sounds are very happy, like woohoo. Tabby, you go over there. And I think I'll feed you my chickens because the diet is meat and your favorite food is stony hen. But I don't know why should I eat the stony hens. So let me know in the comments. Chicken, go over there. Now where are my other chickens? Difficulty escaping. Thanks, but I don't have that much money. I'll get some. And there is a water feeder and a plot collector. So that's how you get your plot without wrecking the slides. Yes. And I think I'm going to leave this episode right here. This episode is mostly going to be a learning episode. So it is boring. I mean, it maybe is boring. So I think I'm going to end this episode right here. So today's common question is that what is Gordo? Please comment down below. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget to so for now, goodbye.